And today, we would like to present your project about adjective clause. Through this report, we aim to provide a better understanding of adjective clause and share the insight we have gathered during your discussion.
A few moments later.
What is adjective clause? Adjective clause is a dependent clause that modifies a noun and it describes, identifies, or gives further information about a noun other 2002. Because the clause in an adjective, it is positioned directly after the noun that it describes. Phillips 2004.
Hello, my name is Nurahmawati. Next, I will express the correction use of adjective clause. Adjective clause correction. Relative pronouns. Warm, used for people. Relative subject pronouns such as me, her, and him. Which, used for things. That, used for people of things. Why use adjective clause? When using adjective clause, we are able to combination two sections in one. Here two simple sections. I student at a college. The college is downtown. To make an adjective clause, we need to fit two ideas in the same section that refer to some things. The word collection in a book, so I think of saying the word which. We can reply one word with a relative pronoun and makes an adjective clause using the adjective clause connection to join two clause.
Hello, I'm Rika. I'm going to explain about two adjectives, clause, connector, or subjects. In relative pronouns, there is who, which, and that. And who, used for people, replace subject pronouns such as I, she, he, we, and they. Which, used for things, and that, used for people or things. Use adjective clause connector or subject correctly. Adjective clause connector were used to introduce clauses that describe nouns. However, in some cases, an adjective clause connector is not just a connector but also the subject of the clause at the same time. Look at these two sample sentences. The woman is in my class. She likes badminton. In the sentence above, the woman and she are talking about the same person. So we can combine the sentence using an adjective clause. In the second sentence, she is the subject of the sentence. So we will use one of the subject relative pronouns, that, which, or who, to replace it. The woman who likes badminton is in my class. Or, the woman that likes badminton is in my class.
Hello, I'm Santia. I want to explain the bibliography according to experts and give examples. First, Azhar Betty S. Understanding and Using English Grammar Student Book, full edition with answer K3 at Internet at Longman 2002. Phyllis Deborah, Longman Preparation Course for the TOEFL Test, the paper test with answer K. Next, Longman 2000. Example of adjective clauses. First, the man who called yesterday is my uncle. 2. The book that you lent me is interesting. 3. She lives in a house where the garden is beautiful. Ramadan et al. Journal article.
Hi, I am Sylvie Delia. Historical and modern usage. Early modern English adjective clauses often differ in structure and as compared to modern English. The dominant types and function of adjective clauses have evolved over time. Ramadan et al. Journal article. Summary: adjective clauses are dependent clauses that describe nouns with relative pronouns. They improve sentence variety and detail. Understanding relative pronouns and clause function is essential for mastery.
I'm Susilo Aribo reference. Before we can allow us to explain that reference we used in referring this material. Which we refer to were merely 2023, which discuss how to use adjective clause along with example. Then from the study by Ramadan M.I. which analyzes adjective clause in Daniel Defoe's Robin Prose. Next we also refer to Bayus 2022, which provides the definition of an adjective clause as well as vocabulary collaborating sentence, which discuss grammar, particularly adjective clause. And finally we used Lange 2025, which explains adjective clause in English grammar. That concludes our group presentation on adjective clause. We hope that what we have present can be useful and broaden all of our outlook. Thank you. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.